Farewell, ye dungeons dark and strang, the wretch's destiny. Macpherson's time will no be lang, on yonder gallows tree. It was by a woman's treacherous hand that I was condemned to die. She stood up in a windy ledge, and a blanket grew over me. Sir Anthony, say wantonly, and Sir Anthony gave me. He played a tune and he danced the room along the gallows tree. Oh, what is death but parting breath on many a bloody plain? I've dared his face, and in this place I scorn him yet again. Sir Anthony, so wantonly, and Sir Anthony gave me. He played a tune and he danced a room along the gallows tree. I have lived a life of strife and strife, I die by treachery. It burdens my heart that I must depart and no avenged be. Sir Anthony, say wantonly, and Sir Anthony gave me. He played a tune and he danced the room along the gallows tree. So take off these bands made round my hands, gauge and be my soul. And there's no man in all Scotland but I'll brave him at war. Sir Anthony, Sir Wantonly, and Sir Anthony gave me. He played a tune and he danced the room along the gallows tree. So farewell night, thou parting light, and all beneath the sky. May coward shame disdain his name,